On this episode of Bobscaping, we're going to be working on a girdling root. That would be a root which is in a position it's not supposed to be, as in the case of this one where it's crossing over this other larger root. These are pretty commonplace on maple trees, and here you can see we have a red maple tree. I actually grew this one from a 6-foot whip back in the day, so it's going on 40 years old. And as I said, they tend to form these girdling roots. Now on a lot of maples you'll see a flat-sided trunk where a root has crossed over it, and it could be underground to where you can't even see it. In this case we can see this one because it's above ground. I'll post a picture or two of what that looks like on a maple trunk where So we're going to try using our saw, depending on what tools you might have in your arsenal. Some people probably have a chisel and a regular hammer, or a hatchet and a heavy hammer. In this case, we're going to try a pruning saw. What you want to try to avoid is damaging the roots around it, below it, or the trunk of the tree. That's kind of tough to do. Okay, we should be just about through it. Okay, so we've relieved the tension off of that root. Just to demonstrate another method, I'll show you what I was thinking of with the hatchet. To cut through like that. It's a lot harder not to damage the other roots. So now we'll try the chisel method here.